In this video I'll be discussing question set number 31, and this question set is based on the scenario that is given above, which says that the bill book system is used to keep information on the bills of the store called RLA Shoe Center, and it also says that this method has been used for a long time and also caused a few disadvantages for the shop owner and the employees as well. So due to this reason, the shop owner has decided to move to a computer software solution instead. And here it says that the software was developed by AI Soft, which is a software development company, and I've been told to assume that I work as a senior software engineer of this company and create an ER diagram for this software and name it RLA Shoe Center. So for that I'm going to first go to MySQL Workbench and then go to File and click New Model. After that I'm going to create a new database called RLA Shoe Center. And after that click on Add Diagram. And now if I go back to the question set, in the first question I've been told to create a table and name it user. So I need to go here and then click here and add a new table. After that I need to rename this to user, and after that I need to add these columns into that table. So the first column will be user ID, in this I've been told to give it auto increment and primary key. And next I need to create the first name and last name column and give the data type varchar and the length 45. Next I need to create the contact number column and after that the status column. The data type of this will be varchar and the length will be 10. And next I need to create the status column and leave the data type as int. So once after I finish creating the user table, it will look like this. Next, in the second question I've been told to create a table called gender and then add these columns into this table. So for that I need to go back to Workbench and then add a new table and first rename this to gender. After that I need to add the first column and name it gender ID and leave it primary key and auto increment. Next I need to add the gender name column. And after that I need to give it varchar as the data type and 10 as the length. So once that is done, the table will look like this. And now in the third question I've been told to create a table and name it user type. and after that I need to add these two columns into the table. The first one will be user type ID and the second will be user type name. I need to leave this column auto increment, and I need to give this column the data type of varchar and the length of 45. So that will be the user type table. And in the fourth question I've been told to create a table and name it system login. So first I need to go here, then create a new table and then rename it to system login. Next I need to add these three columns into the table. The first one will be login ID, after that username and password. So I need to rename this to login ID and give auto increment for that column. The second will be username. After that I need to change the length of this to 20, and the third column will be password. The data type will be varchar and the length of it will be 45. So that will be the system login table. And next, in the fifth question, I've been told to create a table and name it to address. So again I need to add a new table here and rename that to address. Next I need to add these four columns into the table. The first column will be address ID. I need to give this column auto increment. Next will be the address number column. I need to leave the data type as varchar and 45 as the length. And next I need to create the street 1 and street 2 column. I'll be leaving the data type as varchar and the length 45 in both. So that will be it for the address table. And in the final question I've been told to create a table and name it city. So again I need to go here and click on table. Next I need to rename this to city. After that I need to add the two columns into this table. The first column will be city ID and the second will be city name. After that I need to give auto increment for this column. And the second column will be city name. I need to leave the data type as varchar and the length 45 for that. So that will be all for the city table. So that's all I've been told to do in this 31st question set. So that's all for now.